Hi, my name is Elkin Barreiro Rocha, and I am making this video as part of my process in level test, and I am a user kit for my excuse me because I am to go why my level English. So I had to debate this creation of the picture recording with a different debates. This is a picture that we have discovered, and this time what I can say about the making. He show how typical state of the square in the United States, and can I say that because see the USA flops of the areas and store in the corner and in the floods. It's just over in the window, right in the front, in the store, in the window right and from of the story on women. On women. Women carry a lot on a packets. It is almost it is for my goat for a but goat kidding and busy of the woman. Is a mom just puts in the baby, throw it in the baby, crying is his nothing bottle. Is falling out visit of this woman is go playing guitar on guitar is the woman guitar is on board feet in the guitar case in hopping in just to receive some augmenting some the money there is good reading this newspaper opposite it is opposite in is at go driving a car is carrying and goal stick back thought the car hot thought this it in spelling up it is this monument on the on score this at good reading on horse and her ease is holding a roofer. This is let and the heart is round and restaurant and ours in the corner in Kansas City the guy he is eating a burger by burger on the in the choosing out cut of the arts out cut the out of the car the dog like a cat she is worth probably another store we can visit. Lady driving the car. It looks like he is using the cell phone while she is driving and it can knock the detour and singular were probably gone is the guy he is pleasing. He sees also lit up the hair of the streak. Two guys started to say, where did the channel? When there is an duster throughout it is speaking, in the perfect visit of the row and the corner is a car. A rose on blind we trying a course. At goose drinking water, he is bothered. Uh, okay. The go visit of the hint just as the word sigh and the street I a lot. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Elkin Barrero Rocha.